Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. If you've not seen any of these videos before, I'm an approved driving instructor here in the UK, and if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you get all the new videos that we're going to be dropping. So let's get into the video. Hello everybody, welcome to today's lesson, and today's lesson is bay parking. So what I'm going to go through with you today is going to be how to park yourself reversing into a car parking space. Now the easiest method that I can think of to teach this is something that we call the 3 bay technique. So what that means is you have your target bay, you then have a blank bay, and you have your third bay. So you go 1, 2, 3. The third bay has its outer line, so the first line that you come to, when you are reversing back straight, you're going to turn when that is in the middle of your door. So I'm going to show you how that works now for you, so you can get an idea of how this actually works and you can give it a good practice. So to begin with, what we're going to do is we're in a pretty empty car park here. There isn't actually realistically anybody about, but we're always going to treat a car park situation like it is somewhere that is very busy, because you always want to make sure you get in the habit of it, and that'll always help you when it comes to driving. So the first thing I'm going to do before I even start doing anything else is I'm going to get myself into reverse so everybody knows what I'm doing. And you can hear this little beep because I've got reverse sensors on this one. And then going to do a good sweep all around me to make sure that I know that I'm not going to interfere with anybody before I start doing this. So I'm going to check over my left blind spot, mirrors, all the way across, and then finally over my right blind spot to make sure I'm okay. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to look for my line, and when it reaches the middle of my door, I'm going to full steer all the way to the left. And as you can see, I just keep checking all around me, keeping nice and slow as I do it, making sure that I'm not interfering with anybody, keeping my steering exactly where it is. And then at this point, when we're starting to straighten up, so now I'm sitting here pretty much arrow straight to the front, I'm going to take my steering off, and then all I'm going to do is just keep going backwards all the time, going nice and slow, and keep constantly checking around me to make sure that I'm happy, that I'm not going to interfere with anybody. And now I've stopped, out of reverse, handbrake on, and that's that manoeuvre done. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If this is the first time coming to my channel, just make sure you do subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any of the videos upcoming. Good luck with your tests out there, guys. I wish you every success. If there's anything that you want me to do a video on, make sure you pop it in the comments below or drop me a message on Facebook and I'll do a video for you. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye.